Hail to the bus driver, man. So we have a Hankyu bus here, and I'm looking at their website. They're a private bus group, Hankyu Hanshin Toho Group, and they're an express bus between Arima Onsen, which is a hot spring, and Osaka, and that same onsen in Kyoto. So it must be a really popular onsen or hot spring. This toy says 2004 on it. Got a little plastic wrapper and some info on that bus company. Alright. Standard 5-spoke chrome wheels. I think we might have to do something about that. But here, I'm not sure which photos obviously are correct. I don't know what year. I can't really search 2004 Hankyu bus. But at least the livery looks similar. The stripes there. Although the color does seem a bit off. It looks like all these pictures are like a magenta or a purple, whereas this one looks red. Alright. Tiny window there. It's possibly this bus. Let's try this view. I think this is the same bus from a different angle. Maybe. Maybe this one? No, because it doesn't have yellow fog lights down here. And then this is a totally different bus, but it has this little side window here as well. So, well, not really sure. Alright, well anyways, the side of this thing has nice molded details. It's not just flat, it's actually molded the windows, and there's some printing to break up the windows. And then all this tampo printing looks pretty nice. All this color separation. Yeah, that little window there. Then on the front we have all molded details for the lights and some printing for maybe the route. That H for the Hankyu logo, 2004. Fog lights, just a clear windshield, some blackout printing, little marker lights up there. This side, there's no door, just some more printing. And then on the back even, it's molded details for the tail lights, the backup lights, little hatches and stuff, so it's all good. A lot of molded details all around and paint. Top is pretty plain though, and then on the base it says say 03 here. So that's what's going on. Let's take a look at, well, you know, maybe I will pop on some wheels. Hold on a second. So I have some 3D printed bus wheels on this, and I used putty on this, no motor, just because I wanted it to be lowered. Why not? Alright, a couple other aero looking buses is this one here, E-Wing. I think this is an airport shuttle bus, similar in style but not similar in mold. Another one with a swoopy front end is this Hokuto bus. I honestly forget what kind of bus this is, if this is an airport shuttle or what, or a local bus. There's a lot of buses here by ChoroQ. Let's see. Another cool one here is this Hino Poncho. And I forget what this is. It's a city bus somewhere. It doesn't say on the bottom, so sorry. I can't remember my reviews. And then another cool one here is this Hawaiian spa resort. It's like a big indoor water park place. Alright, so actually I gravitate towards these two because they actually have a lot more detail molded in there. Those air conditioning units up top. But this little guy's pretty cool. I mean, it is nice that it has molded details on all the other sides. So I'm happy with it. I didn't pay much for it either. Alright, well thank you for watching. I'll see you at the next bus station.